Golden milk is a traditional Indian drink that people make with turmeric, which gives it a yellow or gold hue. This bright yellow beverage is traditionally made by warming up cows or plant-based milk with turmeric and other spices, such as cinnamon and ginger. Many of these spices contain antioxidants or have anti-inflammatory properties. In this video, we learn about the benefits of golden milk. The 6 potential benefits of golden milk. Has antibacterial, antiviral and antifungal properties. By boosting the immune system. People tend to use golden milk to help fight common illnesses, such as the cold. One review of studies found that curcumin contains antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties that can help a person better fight infections. Reducing inflammation. Golden milk's ingredients, which are ginger, cinnamon, and turmeric, contain anti-inflammatory properties. Reducing inflammation can help prevent or manage conditions including heart disease, cancer, arthritis, metabolic syndrome. Preventing cell damage. Curcumin also has antioxidant properties. Some studies have shown that antioxidants can help a person's body repair cell damage and help reduce the risk of many illnesses. Supporting brain function and improving memory. Some older studies have suggested that turmeric may help improve brain function, but more recent research is necessary to fully prove its effectiveness. Studies show that curcumin may increase levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF. BDNF is a compound that helps your brain form new connections and promotes the growth of brain cells. Lower blood sugar levels. The ingredients in golden milk, particularly ginger and cinnamon, may help lower blood sugar levels. For instance, 1 to 6 grams of cinnamon per day may lower fasting blood sugar levels by up to 29%. Moreover, cinnamon may reduce insulin resistance. Reduce your risk of cancer. Cancer is a disease marked by uncontrolled cell growth. In addition to conventional treatments, alternative anti-cancer remedies are being increasingly sought after. Interestingly, some research suggests that the spices used in golden milk may offer some benefits. Here they are. Golden milk may have several health benefits and has few risks unless a person is allergic to one of its ingredients. For those interested in trying it, they can make their own recipe or buy a pre-made mixture. It is worth noting that although golden milk may have health benefits, it is not a replacement for medical treatments. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.